Hello, garden lovers. Welcome back to Puput Garden. Today, we're going to explore something both practical and fascinating. 5 medicinal herbs that you can easily grow at home. Not only will these plants bring freshness and greenery to your living space, but they also provide natural remedies that have been trusted for generations. So, let's dive in. 1. Aloe Vera, the healing wonder. Aloe vera is often called the plant of immortality, and for good reason. This succulent is incredibly easy to care for and thrives both indoors and outdoors with minimal attention. Aloe leaves are filled with a gel that has soothing, cooling, and healing properties. For centuries, it's been used to treat burns, sunburns, insect bites, and minor skin irritations. Just snap off a leaf, squeeze out the gel, and apply it directly to your skin. Aloe vera also contains antioxidants and vitamins that support skin repair and hydration. When it comes to growing aloe vera, place it in a sunny spot and water sparingly. Overwatering can damage the roots, so less is definitely more. Once it establishes, aloe vera can grow rapidly and provide an endless supply of natural skincare at your fingertips. 2. Ginger, nature's digestive aid. Ginger is not only a kitchen superstar, but also a powerful medicinal herb. Known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits, ginger helps relieve nausea, reduce muscle soreness, and even fight colds. Growing ginger at home is easier than you might think. All you need is a fresh ginger rhizome. Plant it in a pot with well-drained soil, keep it in indirect sunlight, and water regularly. Within weeks, you'll see shoots sprouting. In about 8 to 10 months, your ginger plant will be ready to harvest. Fresh, homegrown ginger adds a zesty kick to your cooking, teas, or health tonics. Plus, it's incredibly rewarding to dig up your own harvest from the soil. 3. Mint, the refreshing all-rounder. If you're looking for a plant that's almost impossible to fail, mint is your best friend. Mint spreads quickly, fills up spaces beautifully, and offers countless benefits. Traditionally, mint has been used to soothe indigestion, relieve headaches, freshen breath, and even ease stress. Growing mint is super simple. Just plant it in a pot or garden bed. Give it partial sunlight and keep the soil moist. However, be careful. It can spread aggressively. So growing it in containers is usually the best option. You can use mint leaves fresh in teas, juices, salads, or even as a garnish for desserts. Imagine sipping on a glass of refreshing homemade mint tea straight from your garden. That's the beauty of mint. 4. Turmeric, the golden healer. Turmeric is famous for its vibrant yellow color and its countless health benefits. It's a staple in traditional medicine, often praised for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties. Turmeric is widely used to strengthen the immune system, improve digestion, and support joint health. To grow turmeric at home, plant a turmeric rhizome in a pot or directly in your garden. It loves warm, humid conditions and partial shade. After 8 to 10 months, you'll have your very own harvest of golden roots. Homegrown turmeric can be dried, powdered, and stored for use in cooking, teas, or natural remedies. Adding it to your meals not only enhances flavor, but also boosts your overall well-being. 5. Lemongrass, the calming herb. Lemongrass is a fragrant herb that doubles as a natural medicine and a culinary delight. It's commonly used in teas, soups, and curries. Medicinally, it's valued for its ability to reduce stress, ease anxiety, improve digestion, and fight infections. Lemongrass is surprisingly easy to grow. Simply buy some fresh stalks from the market, place them in water until roots form, and then transfer them into soil. With sunlight and regular watering, your lemongrass will flourish quickly. Beyond its health benefits, lemongrass adds a refreshing aroma to your home garden. Its tall, graceful leaves also make it a beautiful addition to your green space. So there you have it. 5 medicinal herbs you can easily grow at home. Aloe vera, ginger, mint, turmeric, and lemongrass. Not only are these plants simple to cultivate, but they also provide natural remedies to support your health and well-being. If you enjoyed this video and want more gardening tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Puput Garden. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Let's keep growing together, naturally and beautifully. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.